OnePlus 11R, the ultimate power and elegance, a true masterpiece. Hi, I am Deepak. Welcome to our channel where we share the latest reviews and tricks in the world of smartphones. Subscribe to our channel for exciting and informative content. Let's dive right into it. The OnePlus 11R boasts a stunning and sleek design with all glass front and back surrounded by a robust metal frame. The 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display delivers an immersive visual experience with QHD+ resolution. It has a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, providing vibrant colors and sharp clarity, whether you are gaming, streaming, or browsing. Capture the world in all its beauty with the OnePlus 11R's powerful camera setup. The rear quad camera system features a 108 megapixel primary sensor supported by an ultra-wide angle lens, a dedicated macro lens, and a telephoto lens with up to 5x optical zoom. Say goodbye to blurry shots and hello to professional quality photography even in low light conditions, thanks to improved night mode and AI-enhanced image processing. OnePlus 11R's most unique and groundbreaking feature is the introduction of the HoloSense. HoloSense is an advanced holographic display technology that brings a whole new dimension to your smartphone experience. With HoloSense, you can interact with virtual objects that appear to be floating right in front of your eyes, creating a captivating and immersive augmented reality experience. Whether you are gaming, exploring virtual environments, or simply interacting with apps, HoloSense takes interactivity to a whole new level. Under the hood, the OnePlus 11R is fueled by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 895 processor coupled with up to 12GB LPDDR5 RAM and up to 512GB of lightning-fast UFS 3.1 storage. Whether you are multitasking, gaming, or running demanding applications, this device handles it all with ease, delivering a seamless and responsive performance. Powering all this performance is a robust 5000 mAh battery, ensuring you can stay connected and productivity all day long. When it's time to recharge, the OnePlus 11R features Rapid Charge 100W, which can fully charge your device in just under 30 minutes, making it one of the fastest charging solutions in the market. The OnePlus 11R comes with Oxygen OS 13.1, providing clean and intuitive user interface. This time, OnePlus has introduced several new software features. That includes enhanced customization options, smart gestures, and an improved Zen mode that helps you focus on what matters most while reducing distractions. Stay connected wherever you go with the 5G capability and Wi-Fi 6E support. The OnePlus 11R ensures blazing fast download and upload speeds, seamless video calls, and lag-free online gaming experiences. Your data and privacy are utmost importance, and OnePlus takes it seriously. The OnePlus 11R features an under-display fingerprint scanner and facial recognition technology, ensuring secure and convenient access to your device. That concludes our review on the unique phone OnePlus 11R. Subscribe to our channel and save money on your dream phones. Please do check out our website for the best renewed smartphone deals.